Welcome to this simple guide on understanding neutral to earth voltage and why it matters for your safety. We will explore why your voltage might be high. Before diving into the problem, let's look at the basics of the wires in your house or office. Meet the two important wires. The blue neutral wire is the return path for electricity. The green/yellow earth wire is the safety path, which should only carry power if there is a fault or accident. So what does high mean in this context? How many volts between the neutral and earth wires are considered too many? Measuring the voltage helps us understand the issue. 0 to 2 volts is considered normal and safe. Anything above 2 volts is considered high and can cause strange problems. Now let's look at the 4 most common reasons why high neutral to earth voltage happens. Part 1 of common reasons includes an unbalanced load, which crowds the neutral wire, pushing up the voltage. Loose wires at the main panel can also restrict electricity flow, creating trash voltage. Part 2 focuses on shared neutrals, where too many circuits use the same wire, causing voltage to rise. Long distances can also lead to a voltage drop, putting extra pressure at the end of the wire. Another problem is bad earthing. If the earth rod is rusty or loose, the safety path is weak, and the voltage has nowhere to go, appearing where it should NT. High voltage can cause several problems, including electronic errors, tiny shocks when touching appliances, heat leading to fire risks, and data loss in cables and servers. If you suspect high neutral to earth voltage, don't try to fix it yourself. Electricity is dangerous, and safety should always come first. If your voltage is above 2 volts, call a professional electrician. Remember, safety first. Never touch open wires or panels.